Once you have an IDE installed, it's time to install Unreal Engine. You need an Epic Games account. So when you click sign in at unrealengine.com, it's going to ask you if you want to sign in or sign up. Go ahead and follow the steps to sign up. It doesn't cost any money. And once you have an Epic Games account, you can sign in with Epic Games and install the Epic Games launcher. Once you've installed the Epic Games launcher, you have access to a whole bunch of different things here. With the Unreal Engine tab selected in the left, you have several different categories. The first is Unreal Engine, which shows you new and exciting things that are going on with the engine today. The Learn tab points you to a whole bunch of different resources, including different projects and sources online, including the documentation. The Marketplace allows you to buy assets for your projects, and some of these are actually free, which you can browse by clicking on the Free tab and browsing the free content. We'll make use of some of this in this tutorial series. Finally, click on Library, and this is where you'll find engine versions. Now, if you've just installed the Epic Games Launcher, you won't have any versions installed. You're going to press the plus icon and install the latest version of Unreal Engine. At the time of this video, the latest engine version is 4.26, but you can use any engine version with this tutorial series. Beneath engine versions is the My Projects section, which shows all the projects you have on your computer, and you can open them from here if you like. Beneath that is the Vault, which shows you all the different things that you've gotten from the Marketplace, and you can add these to your projects from here. Download the latest version of Unreal Engine, and in the next video, we'll continue by creating our first project.